Good morning, kids. Hope all of you are happy and healthy at your home and doing your studies well at your home. Today I want to explore underwater kingdom. Are you all ready for this? Let's do this. Which of these creatures has its heart in its head? Squid, shrimp, crab, or seal? Which of these creatures have their heart in its head? Answer will be shrimp. Yes, shrimp. Did you know about the shrimp? Shrimps don't have the skeleton in their body like us. We have a skeleton in our body now, but shrimps don't have a skeleton in their body. They have a hard shell like various of our animals having the hard shell, like the cockroaches, tortoise also, they have the hard shell out of them, out of their body, we can say, and that one is known as what? Exoskeleton. Yes. So shrimp also have the exoskeleton out from their body, and that one is what the use of this exoskeleton? To protect their bodies and shape, also give a shape of their body So shrimp don't have the skeleton inside their body, they have exoskeleton, and shrimp's heart in its head. Interesting now? Well, let's move to the another one. Which phase produces electricity equal to 10 bulbs? 10 bulbs. A single watt having the capacity of 100 watt, and they have the power to generate electricity is equal to 10 bulbs. What's the name? Barracuda, octopus, electric eel, or swordfish? What do you say? The name says electric eel. Yes. Electric eels have nearly 6,000 cells that produces electricity. Electric eel having the cells, 6,000 cells that have the capability to produce electricity, and that electricity obviously prevent them from their enemies, we can say, for their defense also, and also comes handy for stunning their prey. Interesting that animal having the power to generate electricity. Okay. Let's move to the another one. Which of these fishes sleeps in a bubble? Catfish, salmon, stingray, or parrotfish? What is the name of that fish which sleeps in a bubble? And the answer will be parrotfish. When parrotfish sleep at night, they often secrete a mucus, the sleeping bag, we can say, around themselves for protection from predators. Various of animals secreted some animals secreted some ink. We just learn all these things in our previous chapters now. So parrotfish also secreted mucus named sleeping bag around them to protect themselves from their predators. Okay. Next one is, how many hearts does an octopus have? Previously we know about this, the 1 and 2 or 3 or 4. How many hearts? 3. All of us know about this. Yes, 3. But do you know about this? What is the function of all these 3 hearts? What about some fun facts about the octopus? Actually, the octopus have 3 hearts, yes. And the large heart and 2 smaller hearts, and the 2 smaller ones are close to the gills and enrich the blood with oxygen. So 2 smaller one and a single one is larger one, and 2 smaller hearts are just closer to the gills, which enrich in the oxygen before transferring it to the large heart. The large heart then pump this refreshed blood to the rest of the octopus body. है ना. So main function of a heart, the purification है ना of the blood and the enrichment of the blood with the oxygen है ना. So these two small heart which is just closer to the gills, it is just purify these heart just purify the blood with enrich the blood with the oxygen, and after that transfer it to the larger heart, and this larger heart then pump that blood to the another part of the octopus body. Interesting, na? So all these questions from our underwater kingdom, and let's move to our chapter. Today we will discuss our chapter Mixed Bag, which is from page number 56. There are several sections are there, A, B and C. And in first section, change the first letter in each word to make a new word. In first section, we have to make some new words with the given word. Like the first one is right, and there is some clue to see. So you have to make some new word with the letters of right, and that thing which is used for to see anything, and that one is what? What is the need of the to see anything? Light. Yes, light is the required thing now. So light. Next one, pound, and you have to make a word which is used to hear. So pound say sound. Yes, sound is used to hear now. After that, third one is tap and to wear. Tap, cap. You have to change the first word now. Okay. Fourth one, hog and an animal. So change the first word and use be there and dog. That one's the name of an animal. Okay. So these are the first section, and in the second section, complete the following sentences. 10 is to 100 as 8 is to what? 10 into 10 is equal to 100. So 8 into 10, what you got? 80 na? So 80 is the answer. Bird is to nest as horse is to stubble. Hai na? Bird lived in the nest na? So horse lived in the stubble. Father is to son as mother is to daughter. Hai na? Father male one is to son, then mother is to daughter. India is to New Delhi as Japan is to India's capital is New Delhi na, so Japan's capital Tokyo. Hai na? So all this from section B, and in section C, some pics are there, and you have to give the answer of these questions. How many legs do I have? There is an elephant and the pics there. So how many legs? Obviously an elephant have how many legs? 4 na? So answer will be 4. Second one, keep your eyes on the dot. Is it in the front or at the back of the cube? That dot looks like in the front, but whenever you just see it minutely, you find out that dot is the back of the box. Hai na? Not in the front. Okay? Next one is, in this illusion, you can see the word teach and its reflection also. Can you read the reflection too? What does it say? When we show the reflection of the teach, it is also say, looks like teach also, hai na? But in the direction is changed only. Hai na? It is also teach. Okay? Next one is, do you see a rabbit or a duck? What do you see there? A rabbit or a duck? If you see that pic minutely, then you find out that in the front of this pic, you show a duck. But from the back side, whenever you see, you find a rabbit also. So both of them is present in this pic, we can say. Okay? So all these questions from page number 56, and in our next video we will discuss our next chapter. Okay? Have an enjoyable day to everyone.